Taking a recap of your November 1st, we topped out at 59 degrees, only 10 off from our record high, 14 degrees above normal for this time of the year. Our morning low was also above average at 36, 29 for this time of the year, nowhere near a record of 12 degrees. And when it comes to your daylight, we're officially now less than 10 hours of sunlight. As we take a peek at those highs for today, we were in those upper 50s to almost 60 degrees, 55 in Marquette, 57 in Munising, 58 in Iron Mountain, 59 in Ontonagon. The only reason we did not get to 60 anywhere is because of all the increasing cloud cover we've seen. The good news is the winds have relaxed substantially since the last couple of days. They're calm right now in Iron Mountain, 3 in Marquette and Munising, mostly coming out of the south, 5 in Ironwood. When we take a closer look at what's ahead for the next couple of days, we are going to continue to see a couple of scattered showers tonight and tomorrow. But once that goes away going into your Friday, the sunshine will return, but we are going to continue in the meantime still with those mild temperatures like we've been seeing so far in this early November, and that will be the trend at least until we go towards the middle portion of the month. What's causing all this cloud cover and some of these scattered showers is actually a mixture of two things, actually. The first one, there is a cold front towards the north in Canada. It's going to push our way through the UP and the entire state as we go into your early Thursday. But the second part will actually be this leftover front that we saw on Monday, bringing us those strong winds, now pushing further towards the south. So on our Wednesday, we were continuing to be sandwiched between both disturbances. By Thursday, though, as that cooler air pushes in, we'll still have some leftover showers associated with it. The Futurecast shows how the clouds will begin to reduce themselves, especially as we go into your Thursday afternoon. The sun will begin to break through and become more prominent and more glorious as we go into the first weekend of the month. And as we revel in those wonderful mild temperatures, do keep in mind that we do got to fall back on those clocks going this weekend at 2 a.m. this Sunday officially. Tonight, though, it will be 41 degrees. It is going to be warm still for our overnight lows thanks to those southwesterly winds coming out at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The isolated showers are going to become more and more concentrated the further east you go. By the time we go into your Thursday a little more closely, those scattered showers are still going to linger early on in the day, but since the winds are now going to be shifting from the southwest to the north as the front pushes through, those temperatures are not going to rise as high as they did today or even on Tuesday. We'll be dealing now with temperatures around the 50-degree mark, 3 degrees over or under depending where you are. You can see 47 in Houghton, 53 in Crystal Falls and Florence and Iron Mountain, a little bit more towards the east, 51 in Munising, 52 in Escanaba, 47 in Marquette. But temperatures overall, the magic number is 50. The day plan a little more closely as we look into your Thursday. 41 will be your morning low. 47 will be your afternoon high. Those clouds are going to gradually decrease throughout the night into the evening. We will have partly cloudy skies by the time we get into the nighttime. Sunrise will occur at 8:35 a.m. And looking into your next 7 days, we're going to revel with a lot of sunshine, especially going into the next, especially starting on Friday. That's when the warm temperatures will also return. And by the time we get into the afternoon, especially going into the mornings, we'll see those temperatures overall around 40 degrees. So it's going to be warm, especially for Election Day. A lot of sunshine on Saturday and Sunday. Great to go see the fall leaves all around the UP. And going into next week, the clouds will increase. We'll also increase those rain chances as well. And by the time we get into, once we deal with that on Monday and Tuesday, better time still ahead for the remainder of next week.